Hello viewers, on today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the wheel brakes on this 2019 Volkswagen Tiguan. Before you replace those brakes, I'll highly suggest you put the vehicle in service mode because it is equipped with the electronic parking brake. So you're going to need a special tool for that. I'll post the link in the comment section below of doing it. So watch this clip, I'm me explaining it how to put in service mode with the special tool. It's pretty straightforward. Plug it in. You're gonna need an app in your phone. So I ended up video my screen on my phone to do this. Now we're going to put the vehicle in service mode since it is electronic parking brake. And let's move this button here to the connection with the skin tool. It's connected. And we go to maintenance function, brakes, good, and we go to VW, ignition on, okay, other model, parking brake, open wheel brake calipers. That's for to service the wheel brakes and put in service mode. Okay. And there you go. As you guys see here, on step number 2, the brake caliper has been opened. Please replace the wheel brake pads. Vehicle up in the air. Now let's remove the brake rotor within the screw. It is a T30. I'm using a T30 Torx bit and a hammer to break it free a little bit in the rust off of it. I'm gonna use a quick ratchet like this to remove the screw. And now let's remove our caliper slider pin bolt cap. You need to use a little pocket screwdriver or a regular screwdriver will work to remove those cap. And now let's remove the anti-water clip. Make sure you save those because you might not have a new one when you buy the brake pad and rotors from the store. Now let's remove the brake caliper sliding pin bolt. It is a 7mm Allen. I'm breaking the bolt free and let's try to compress the caliper as far as we can with a flat blade screwdriver like this. And we don't have to remove the top bolt. Actually, you can take the bottom and slide it out. There's the bolt here, as you guys see here. You can push it out so you can do your thing. There's the old brake pad. Caliper safe. Now let's hit those rotors so they can come out. It's pretty seized on the hub. There you go. Now you can use a wire brush like this to clean the hub, or use a cookie wheel to clean the hub. Make sure you wear high protection while doing it. Good. Now let's clean our caliper bracket. It is not necessary for the bracket to come out at all. You can service it with the implicit bolt to the vehicle, and you can use a wire brush to clean it. Take the rust and the dirt off of it, or use a special tool like this. Pretty good. Now let's install our new rotor and make sure everything line up. The returning screw and all the lug nut line up, so you don't have a hard time putting your tires back on. Good. Let's install our new brake pad. The brake pad with the spring in the back gonna go in the inside, like this one. Now let's re-grease the pins. Re-grease the bottom pin. Now the caliper is ready to go back on. It's a very easy brake job. Surprisingly, it's very easy. It didn't take me that long at all to do this. There you go. Now let's put the bolt in and run them through. Let's put our cap back on. And the entire water clip. Pay attention to the orientation. It only goes in one way, but you need to do both of force and patience to line it up, because it's very pretty strong metal. Good. Make sure it's all the way in. And that's it, guys. Make sure you pump your brakes before you go for a test drive. And I'm gonna show you how to take it out of service mode now. So now, let's start it. So we're going to take the vehicle out of service mode now. So, one brake again. Okay. Other model, brake electronic, and close wheel calipers. Good. And let's see if we have any codes now and clear them if anything. Okay, let's clear those codes. And that's it, guys. That's how we do it. Now the vehicle is ready to be started. Don't forget to pump your brakes before you go for a test drive. Thanks for watching.